using my new Kubota BX25. Now I've taken the backhoe portion of it off for today, but we're going to be using this to help do an extension here on the garage, on the barn here. See here, if you get closer, that I've got a lot of dirt here, but I'm cutting it back to this inner wall. There's a bunch of railroad ties that are back here, and it's about 16 feet in and about 16 feet wide. That's going to be the new area. Then that's what I'm going to be doing. We'll shoot a little bit of video of me using the Kubota, and then we'll show the after. You know, like I said, I missed the before. I didn't really think about it as I started cutting in this morning, but we got a lot of dirt to move. So let's get started. Well, I'm about at the halfway point, so I thought I'd stop here and but this is the damage that I've done in about 2.5 hours worth of work. A couple of rocks in there, and yeah, it's coming along now. So still got to get this tree or whatever this brush is over here out. The little stuff came up no problem, but that's got probably some pretty serious roots in it. Well, okay. So let's get back to it. Took another break here. Wanted to show the progress I'm making here. Anyway, that's a whole lot of dirt that is gone. Pulled that tree out of there with it. 16 feet back. This side's pretty close to done. I'm going to have to do some handwork with a shovel. This side's still got some digging to do, but definitely getting there. Definitely getting there. And then we'll have to just flatten it out and get it ready for gravel. I've got some old railroad ties coming in tomorrow, and we're going to do some work with cinder block. But overall, I am super happy with the old Kubota BX25. Let's get back to digging. Well, that's about it. It's quite a hole that it's dug out. And I'll be getting some railroad ties. Going to build a retaining wall here in the back, some cinder block for the sides. But boy, imagine doing that by hand. That was about 4 feet deep on the back, about 3 feet deep in the front, 16 wide and 10 deep. I don't know how many cubic yards that is or how many cubic feet it is, but it is a lot. So I'm really impressed. Alright, I figured I'd finish off this video with a little bit of, oh, I'm about halfway done, I guess, right? So the tractor worked excellent, and used the tractor to lower these giant timbers into place. These are old railroad ties that we picked up at a pretty good price, a lot less than what they cost normally, thankfully. Anyway, that'll wrap it up. Hope you enjoyed